Hi, this is Kelly Shepard. Welcome to enhancement 9. Here is my page where we add the product. As you can see, we've been able to add all of the pictures with their thumbnails created. You can see all of them on here, along with a couple others that we added on to be able to change a couple of the things that we did. We added it to, I believe, the anvil. Let's see, which one was that? Was it catapult? Yeah, we added it to one of the thumbnails to the catapult. And let's see, we added one to the bomb. And we added one to the bomb here. Anyway, but they are all working, everything. You can even look at the mortar. There's the big one, and there's the other one. Anyway, everything seems, it works well. We checked the CSS, everything looks good, and everything's working fine. So anyway, thanks so much for your time. Bye.